Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. In this video I will be just quickly showing you on text what you can do to tame your amplifier, your ultra warm amplifier. So here we go. And welcome back. I've got the Torhauger amplifier as a good example. So I'm just gonna scroll down and you guys can just quickly read through the whole thing because I haven't got a lot of time. All of these points are really good points. These are gonna save you a hell of a lot of money. And this is what you do with the Macintosh 275, which is a higher class of warm than the Torhauger. And I have to stress, this last point is really good. This is like the key difference between a good and a bad system. This is critical. No, there aren't almost any people in the world doing this. They're using a lot of money on amplifiers, speakers, CDs, DACs, and while not having this in place. If you do not have this in place, all the equipment that you buy will not react properly. It will not give you the proper personality and the type of detail. It's not just about the detail, it's the type of detail. I cannot stress how important this last part is. All the other points are also really important, but this is what's going to give you the special sound that you do not hear in the stores. So and that's basically all, and I hope you guys can read through that and have a nice day.